leaking.
Kill him.
I need assistance.
Help mom kill
No,
him.
give me a plate, please.
I will give you a plate.
No, a plate. That's not a plate.
Assistant.
Big plate. Kill him. Hold it.
Hold it properly. Okay, good, kill it.
Open.
Take out the plate. Take out the plate.
Okay,
Take out the plate.
Oh, that's a lot
Open
of juice. I'm gonna use this plate to eat, okay?
Open the brisket.
Open the sesame.
Mommy.
I'm gonna use this plate to eat.
Mommy Carla style. Awesome. Brisket by Carla.
This,
Did he add barbecue sauce?
this is us. No, we have to put barbecue sauce on
So
its own.
juicy.
On our own. We have to do the barbecue sauce on our own.
Juicy, kill him. Look.
Oh, let me see.
I need to put barbecue sauce, but we have to take out the barbecue sauce.
Bro. Cut it, bro. Cut it, cut it.
No.
Cut it, cut it.
Ayaw, parang may mapiang
Oh,
ka.
what's that? Sauce? Wow. Look at that. Carl, what are you doing?
Carl,
You know, cut na, cut.
Ano na turisong?
can you make sure you have a good
Knife.
knife?
Can you-
wrestling.
Carl, can you get Lolo Boy's knife?
He doesn't want to give it.
Borrow the knife. Tell
Just
him.
borrow to Japan.
you get it, little mama eating?
Ma. Yeah,
Ikaw na lang dito, eh.
ask Lolo Boy.
Mom, what's this?
Matcha tea. Latte.
Ikaw na lang dito.
Did he use the powder?
Yeah.
Kapoy ko mo.
Ask Lolo Boy.
Oh, sige na, honey.
Okay. Alright.
Kung gusto niyong kumain.
Okay.
Hait mo ng kwan niya, da.
This way.
Yeah, so how are you gonna put it?
this.
Napuday na yun.
Be careful, bro. It's gonna spill. I don't want it to spill.
Napuday na yun.
spill no matter what.
Technique.
Oh! Ah!
Wow, I want that. Fat
Dad,
piece.
can you give me a... That's not the fatty side.
That's not the first.
It's not
What's that?
fatty.
What's that?
If you look at it, it's not fatty.
What do you want, Carl?
Wait,
Here, Carl.
sure, put it on the
Tapos
plate.
yun. Kwan.
Where's your
ano.
plate?
Can you give me one?
You want to eat meat? Kumare? Busog ka na?
Carlo, here.
I will put na lang,
Oh,
Carlo.
sige na. Punta na yan.
Sige na lang.
You put barbecue sauce, Carl.
It's not a barbecue brisket, it's a braised brisket.
It's what?
It's a braised brisket, not a barbecue.
Maybe we'll do barbecue. Kalam?